Okay. After, see, what happens is, when I am 0 to 8, you know why people say, children are very delicate, there is that, as their body is delicate, the mind of the child is also delicate. Okay. The mind is all around us. Okay. Mind is all around us. The center of it is, pit of my stomach. If something goes out of my control, something is going wrong, suddenly you will feel, butterflies in your stomach. Okay, something is going wrong, you will feel it here, suddenly. What is happening? Okay, so center of it is here. Okay, so from 0 to 8 years, this critical, when I am born with the complete subconscious mind with this record of past life. Okay, this is not there. So the child doesn't have the capacity to think what is right and what is wrong. Okay, what is good and what is bad. So it is very important for anybody to speak in front of a kid. Why? Because the child will directly take it as it is. Because there is no filter in between. Like as I am telling you, you are questioning, what is this conscious mind? How I am getting into subconscious mind. The child doesn't know all those things. If I give this talk to a child, the child will say everything is truth. Whatever he is talking is completely truth. There is no logical thinking happening. Some people in this group may be thinking, what is he talking? Some people may be thinking, yeah, absolutely correct. Yeah, okay? Because some people must have heard this talk in the past. Okay? So and they must have related to their life. Okay, this is correct. What he's saying is correct. And somebody must have had a negative experience. No, I don't believe in all these things. Okay? So the conscious mind, then it goes and says, this is known and I have experienced this, correct. Okay? It goes from here, it says, I have experienced this. Okay? That way you actually analyze and, known and unknown. Okay? It's known to you, it's unknown to you. Completely a new file. If somebody has come for the first time and, seeing everything for the first time, something is building up. There is a lot of jam in the critical filter. Critical filter, what happens? Job of critical filter is to process. It's like a CPU which is processing. I am feeding it through a keyboard. Okay, and then it is feeding and going to the hard disk. This is the hard disk. Okay, this is processing. As it is processing, it is not understanding what is happening. Something new is talking, because completely new thing is coming into your life. Yeah, no files are there. Completely no files. Okay, so you'll say, what is this happening? I don't know how it is affecting me, whether it is true, whether it is false. All those things come into your mind, and then you'll decide, okay, fine, whatever is happening. Yeah, like how powerful it is, I'll tell you. If I give you the example of other things, the community example, if I give, for a Hindu, a cow, you cannot slaughter a cow. Okay, for a Muslim, that is their staple food. They can have. Bachpan se bol diya. Beef. You have to eat beef. Okay? And for a Catholic, pork, no. Sorry, for a Catholic, pork is they can eat. But for a Muslim, it is complete pap. Like how eating beef is pap for me, eating pork is pap for a Muslim. Okay? So bachpan se, we have taken it from our environment, we have taken it from our what do you call, parents, you can say it culture, which is developed from this thing. And for a vegetarian, you put a non-vegetarian platter in front of him, he can't even smell it. It will completely, he'll go bizarre, and he'll go and puke also. There are some people, if you see, you can't even touch it. Okay, so it's all, ultimately it's all in the universe. Whatever is there, it is in the universe, and it is available for everyone. Some people say it is bad, some people say it is good. Because my mom and dad have told me this is bad. Okay, so that much powerful it is. Like smoking, these patterns can become addict afterwards. Drinking, smoking. I have seen my daddy smoking. So I'll say, oh, smoking is good. My daddy smokes. Okay, I'll say, okay, fine, I'll also pick up one cigarette. I smoke. Positive file. Okay, मेरा daddy करता है, I'm also doing it. Okay, then next time, I'm doing it. One day daddy sees me, and daddy will give me one rap. What are you doing? So one negative file, with that negative file, emotion is also generated. Okay, so I'll say, daddy is smoking. Okay, and then when I'm smoking, he's saying, no, you cannot do it. I can do it, you can't do it. A rule is different for you, rule is different for me. Okay, so, negative file is generated. But by that time, there are so many positive experiences, and the job of that positive experiences to build patterns. So automatically that kid will attract, people who are smokers into his friends group. He will go and get into that group who are smokers. Automatically they will offer him cigarettes, and then he will have more and more smoke. By the time he consciously thinks, oh shit, it hurts me now. I cannot sleep in the night. My lungs are paining. Oh, sab aa gaya. Then he is conscious, but subconsciously he cannot quit smoking. Because it is already built up a pattern. That pattern is made a habit. Okay, consciously and subconsciously he has made it a habit for himself. Okay, so even if he consciously thinks, no, he will, the moment you will see all the smokers say, today is the last, raat ko piya, okay fine, this is the last, from tomorrow morning, no smoking. First thing to go to the loo, he will pick up is one cigarette. Okay, or if he is not doing it, bahar gaya and his old friend aaya, and he is come and said, come on, one with me. He'll manifest. This job of this subconscious mind is to just manifest whatever things are there in the files are there in the subconscious mind. So it will keep manifesting. Yeah, manifest for the future. Whatever is there here, its job is just a pattern. Okay, he can just say, I am a teetotaler. Okay, just telling myself. Okay, I am every day. What the person says no, yaar, I can't give up smoking. I can't give up smoking. I can't give up smoking. So those files again, myself files are more stronger than anybody else giving me a file. I am going on creating my own files. Okay, the same way I can affirm it by saying every moment, I am a teetotaler, I am a teetotaler, I am a teetotaler. But it is not only that. There are a lot of work which goes behind it. We need to remove all the negative files which are there, not the files, the emotions attached to the files. Okay, so in smoking, all the positive files for smoking. Okay, I need to work on that. So how we do it is we take the client into hypnotic state and go down to the subconscious mind and remove one file. In smoking case, in drinking case, any of the addict case, the positive files attached to it, we remove and completely negate it from the life, and then put new files about for the same, whatever they want to replace it with. Okay, they want to replace it with, we just help the client to put it so that the client completely changes. So for some people who are really strong, by just affirming on a daily basis, they can change their own pattern. It need not be a therapist help or some kind of help required from outside person. They can do it on their own. The best part is to write down whatever you want in a positive statement before you sleep in the night, because our conscious mind, so our mind takes everything in a LIFO manner. It takes everything in a LIFO manner. What is LIFO? Last in, first out. Okay, if I'm sleeping at 10:30 in the night, okay, if I'm sleeping at 10:30 in the night and I've watched a horror movie, so the mind will process the horror movie first into my subconscious mind. This critical filter will process the horror movie first. Okay, it is everything what we say, it remains here for 24 hours, or some techniques, if you're doing some meditation technique, or hypnotic state, if you're going into with the therapist or something like that, then it automatically you break through this critical filter and go to your subconscious mind and send all those files. Otherwise, as a normal person, if people are not into meditation, this, that, and all, so it stays here in the critical filter ka place. It stays for 24 hours in the conscious, like whatever I am speaking to you, it stays in the conscious for 1.5 hours. From here it goes and stays in the critical filter cup area for 24 hours, or some meditation techniques, whatever you do, whichever is earlier, then it goes. So the people who don't